You can be the bug, you're the bee, the bird. You can be the captain, and I can be a first mate. You can be the chill.
Hey guys, it is me, your girl Leah. Today I'll be making a mail time. I haven't actually got 52 gifts. I think I've got more because this little girl keeps sending me more. So like, yeah. Recording any last gifts. Okay, also my BFF in real life, she's called Lily. Okay, so if I sound like really croaky and stuff, that's because of my voice. I've got a bad ear, got a bad head, it's just so ridiculous. Okay. Yes, as you can tell by the title, it's freaking mail time again. Yes, so we need to get started with the first gifts. I'm not gonna say the username because you can already see the username, you know. Oh, thanks. That's kind of late, but okay. I guess. Right. Ooh. This is do a YouTube video. Yeah. Okay. You guys, if you want your face to be right on here, like your username to be right on the screen, just I already said how amazing you are, Lily. First 3 gifts, and I've already got like a rare. Oh my god, seriously? Okay, she's my best friend and she's amazing. That's all I can say because she's just amazing. I have. If you don't know what baby means, it means best babe, and it doesn't mean like girlfriend babe. It means like best friend, basically. So, you know. Oh my lord, I already have that, but who cares? I can give it away to my backup, I guess. Oh wait, I think my backup has it. Just the different colours. Still cute. I like how you put like a little spicy. Okay, this is going nowhere. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, these are getting down. Why sending me Christmas stuff? It's not good. Yeah, it is. It's anything you guys send me is good. Oh, thank you so much. It's a boy cap that I already have. This girl's giving me stuff that I already have. I'm not saying the gifts are bad. Nope, don't have that. Okay, fine, go for that. But she keeps sending me gifts and telling me not to. No. No, I don't have that cap. Looks cute enough. Oh, that's a boy. She probably glitched that to me. Yeah. Okay, I don't know why I'm doing capitals. I just feel like it. Sorry. If this gets any longer, yeah. Jesus Christ. Yes, it's a rat. She's reading my mind. I'm getting more of these flower crown things. Oh my lord, she's so nice. I wonder how many. Oh my god, that's so cute. I think that might be a rare. I'm not sure. Alright, this girl said that all the gifts are rubbish. First gift, 10 out of 10. Let's have a look at the second gift that she gave me. Okay, I'm wasting freaking time. I only have 10 minutes left. 9 out of 10. Third gift. Oh my god, no one knows. Best babe basically means best babe. Best babe means friend too. Thank you for the autograph, people. I'm not really popular on MSP, but yeah, I still feel like I'm popular when I get gifts. Okay, this girl sent in a lot. She was like, I really want the account. Just choose me. Just choose me. Like, it's whatever my sister chooses. Because my sister's savage. She looks at all the gifts and she's like, this girl who sent a really bad gift gets to win the account. You seriously got to be kidding me. I'm not getting a lot of hairs. Give me more hairs. Oh, no, I'm just joking. Okay. Oh my god, I haven't seen that before. That's so cute. Okay. Okay, this boy's crazy. He says he wants to go out with me, and I don't get it. Why do boys want to go out with me? They're so... Oh god. Well, the MSP characters, I believe, I don't know in real life. That was so nerdy. They're cute. Cute. Okay, I thought that was a rare, but I haven't really got a lot of rares in this one, but I'm still great. But Diamond Pack, please record. I'm definitely gonna record. Jeez. Nope, don't have that. Done. Tie it now. No, I can do what I want. I can do what I want. Animal Ridge. Diamond Pack, please record. I'm recording right now, babes. Okay. I've already got that. Why am I getting the same thing? But she's sending me more things. Because she's awesome-matic. Curly Sweet. I know. I'm getting all the same gifts. Why am I? I'm being grateful and all. Sorry, I'm delighted. Blinded. I cannot even see what that was. Oh, it was that. Well, it didn't show up in the picture or whatever it was. I think it was that. I'm not sure. I should like. Oh, where's the golden tooth? That's cute. Really cute. Pretty ears. Yeah, girl. Okay, that's her last gift. I still want to get rid of this gift super bad. Okay, thank you so much, my BFF Lily. She's so amazing. Just go at her now. Yeah, just at her. Cool kicks. Okay, I'll kick your butthole off. Okay, that's crazy. I kick your butt cheeks off. Oh my god, so dirty. No, it's not. It's such a cute thing. This girl just went too far again. Wait. Pick a flower, any flower. I've got all these flower chains. I've got like 500 of them. Well, today any of them. Right. That's the third one I've got this today. But, are you gonna even answer me, boy? That's why I hate boys. They're so disgusting. They don't even answer. They're such buttholes. How many times have I said buttholes in this? Just comment down below. Buttholes, 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 buttholes. And whoever counts all of them wins a free account. So you better comment down below how many times I said butthole. And I will give you a free account. And I freaking got a bra on. Butthole. Sang you slowly at the team. Yes, it's a rare, it's a rare, it's a rare. This is a really cute outfit. Answer, butthole. Now. 'Cause Lily said you didn't love me. XDD. I think you're on computer. You were on your phone a second ago. Oh no, I really got 5 minutes left. No, I have to hurry up. And how many gifts do I have left? I never know. I might have to make this to part 2. I never know. Just come on, take it easy. Yes, I'm going to take it easy, actually. Thank you very much. Wow, you are weird. I'm opening all the gifts. Okay. I legit only have 5 minutes left. No! I'm gonna die! You don't have enough left. Thank you so much. Yes! Finally, like legit. I'll just turn my toe. Yeah. My God, I don't think I'm gonna make it. I might have to make it a short part too. If it gets any laggy, yeah, obviously. But. Oh my God. I don't think I'll have time for any shoutouts, but the shoutout, if it does end, is gonna be this girl and this boy. Okay? This boy's giving me a lot. Oh yeah, I think he got me my wish list. He was like, can I have a gift? I was like, sure, put something on your wish list. I'm like, okay, I put something on my wish list. I didn't put any of this on my wish list. I really didn't. That's annoying. That keeps happening. I'm gonna die. There's only 12 freaking minutes left. Chill out, Leah. Nothing's gonna happen. Sweet slow. Oh, are you here? Now let me know. Are you here? Alright, this is the last page. Get well soon. Thank you so much, Even May 567. Okay, thank you so much for that. Jumper. Okay, I will love you if you give me something. That's a rip-off! No, don't love me then. I'm not bothered. Go die. No. Beep! No, I'm joking. Just don't blackmail. I think that's so freaking rare. Oh my God, I'm so jealous of myself. Get a rest! Get jealous, hon. Love my status. Oh, I do too. Cute! I'm so crazy. Tell mommy, I just want to pack my stuff and leave. Excuse me, please. Have a beat. Okay. So, is that all the gifts left? Yes. That's all my gifts. So, butthole. Right. So, I really hope your buttholes are having a great day. So, I think my squad should be a butthole. Yeah, I think my squad should be a butthole. So, like this video, subscribe, turn on that bell, and comment hashtag notification squad, and then put butthole at the side. And then I know that you've liked this video, subscribe, and turn on that notification. And so, and put how many times I said butthole, even including right now. So, to get a free account. Good luck, everyone, and I'll be pronouncing the winner next week. See you later, guys. Mwah! Thanks so much for your lovely gifts again.